Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 6:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Birdsboro, or 7 miles east of Reading, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and any-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Boyertown, Loran, Birdsboro, Reefen, Red Hill, Jerryville, Amity Gardens, Valley, East Greenville, Green Lane, Pennsburg, St. Lawrence, Gilbertsville, Bechtelsville, Halfway House, and Telford. This includes northeast extension between mile markers 36 and 39. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, and Montgomery. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for southeastern Berks and northwestern Montgomery.